Nutrient-packed grain and legume meal prep. To prepare a nutritious and convenient meal prep option, combine quinoa, lentils, chickpeas, peanuts, and a small amount of rice in an instant pot.
Add water or vegetable broth to cover the ingredients. Then cook them together on high pressure for 30 minutes.
Once cooked, allow the mixture to cool slightly before portioning it into 8 stainless steel containers.
This hearty blend of grains and legumes provides a balanced combination of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients to fuel your week ahead.
With each container packed full of wholesome goodness, you will have convenient and ready-to-eat meals on hand for busy days.
Whether enjoyed on its own or paired with your favorite veggies or sauces, this meal prep option is sure to keep you satisfied and nourished throughout the week. Today I did this.
Nourishing tradition, harnessing the power of chicken bone broth and bone for health and flavor. Preparing a nourishing chicken bones broth in an instant pot offers not only a flavorful culinary experience but also a nutritional boost.
Bone broth can add protein, collagen, gelatin, and minerals to your dish, enhancing its nutritional profile.
In cultures like Japan and China, this practice has been cherished for generations, emphasizing the holistic benefits of consuming every part of the animal.
The resulting bone broth serves as a versatile cooking ingredient, adding depth of flavor and richness to various dishes while replacing the need for additional fats or oils for a few days.
Additionally, after the lengthy cooking process, the bones themselves become soft and easily chewable, offering a convenient source of calcium for individuals of all ages, from young people building strong bones to older adults seeking to maintain bone density.
Embracing this time-honored tradition not only honors culinary heritage but also promotes overall well-being through the consumption of nutrient-dense foods.
The calcium obtained from bone is considered to be more bioavailable and may have additional health benefits compared to calcium supplements.
This is because bone contains not only calcium, but also other minerals and nutrients that support bone health, such as magnesium, phosphorus, and collagen.
Additionally, consuming calcium in its natural form from food sources like bone is generally considered to be safer and more easily absorbed by the body than calcium supplements, which may sometimes lead to gastrointestinal issues or interfere with the absorption of other nutrients.
Bone offers numerous health benefits but may pose some risks.
There's also a potential for heavy metal contamination.
Despite these risks, bone broth and bone can still be a nutritious addition to the diet when consumed in moderation, and with attention to individual health needs and dietary restrictions.
So use bone broth primarily for cooking rather than drinking.
Fish bone and fish broth offer similar culinary versatility and health benefits as their chicken counterparts.
Fish bones can be simmered to create a flavorful broth rich in minerals like calcium and phosphorus, as well as collagen and gelatin, which support joint health and promote gut health.
Similarly, fish broth can serve as a savory base for soups, stews, sauces, and risottos, imparting a delicate seafood flavor to dishes.
Additionally, both fish bone and fish broth are prized in various culinary traditions worldwide, such as Japanese cuisine.
Fish bones, like chicken bones, are indeed a good source of natural calcium, offering an alternative to calcium supplements.
For individuals who prefer not to consume dairy or are looking for alternative calcium sources, fish and chicken bones can be valuable options. Healthy cooking methods for eggs, boiling and steaming. To cook eggs in a healthy manner while preserving the yolk's integrity, boiling or steaming methods are recommended.
For boiling, bring a pot of water to a gentle boil. Then add the eggs carefully to avoid cracking.
Boil for 8 to 10 minutes for hard-boiled eggs or 6 to 7 minutes for medium-boiled ones.
Transfer the eggs to ice water immediately after cooking to halt the process and prevent overcooking.
Alternatively, for steaming, place the eggs in a steamer basket over boiling water and steam for 10 to 12 minutes hard-boiled or 7 to 8 minutes medium-boiled.
After steaming, cool the eggs in ice water to stop the cooking.
These methods ensure perfectly cooked yolks while retaining their nutritional value.
Cooking eggs with a crust, whether by boiling or steaming, is considered healthier than frying.
Frying often requires added fats like oil, increasing calorie and fat content.
High frying temperatures can also produce harmful compounds, like acrylamide.
Boiling or steaming without added fats preserves eggs' natural nutritional profile and reduces the risk of unhealthy compounds. Plus, crust cooking provides a satisfying texture and locks in moisture, resulting in creamy, healthy yolks.
Plus, crust cooking provides a satisfying texture and locks in moisture, resulting in creamy, healthy yolks.
For maximum nutrition, cooking fresh eggs until the yolk is still runny is beneficial.
A runny yolk indicates the egg hasn't been overcooked, preserving essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats.
This ensures you fully benefit from the egg's nutritious content while enjoying their delicious texture.
Avoiding cooking methods that expose eggs to high temperatures for long periods minimizes yolk oxidation, maintaining its nutritional integrity.
Boiling or steaming minimizes this risk, ensuring the yolk remains healthy and nutrient-rich. Tips for making and storing homemade salad dressings. To prepare a healthy and nutritious dressing using natural ingredients, start with a base of extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats.
Add freshly squeezed lemon juice or apple cider vinegar for acidity and brightness.
Incorporate minced garlic for flavor and potential health benefits like boosting the immune system.
For added depth of flavor, include a touch of Dijon mustard, which also acts as an emulsifier.
Sprinkle in some fresh herbs like basil, parsley, or dill for freshness and antioxidants.
Season with salt and pepper to taste, opting for high-quality sea salt for added minerals.
Mix all the ingredients together until well combined, or blend them in a food processor for a smoother consistency.
Adjust the ratios of each ingredient to suit your taste preferences and drizzle the dressing over salads, grilled vegetables, or whole grains for a nutritious and flavorful addition to your meals.
The shelf life of homemade dressings can vary depending on the ingredients used, but in general, most homemade dressings can last for about 3 days when stored properly in the refrigerator.
It's essential to keep them in airtight containers to prevent contamination and maintain freshness.
However, it's always a good idea to check for any signs of spoilage, such as changes in color, texture, or odor, before consuming.
If you notice any of these signs, it's best to discard the dressing to avoid any risk of foodborne illness.
Critical food safety alert: risks of bacterial growth, endotoxin contamination, and loss of anti-inflammatory properties in precut produce. Yes, I'm aware of this.
Precut vegetables and fruits, as well as home-prepared produce, can indeed be susceptible to bacterial growth if not stored or handled properly.
When fruits and vegetables are cut or peeled, their protective outer layers are compromised, making them more vulnerable to bacterial contamination.
If these items are not stored at the proper temperature, or if they are kept for too long, bacteria can multiply, increasing the risk of foodborne illness.
Moreover, when produce is mishandled or stored incorrectly, it can lead to the release of endotoxins, which are bacterial components found in the cell walls of certain bacteria.
These endotoxins can cause adverse reactions if ingested, potentially leading to symptoms of food poisoning or gastrointestinal discomfort.
To mitigate these risks, it's essential to practice proper food safety measures, including washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly before cutting or consuming them, storing precut produce in the refrigerator at the appropriate temperature, and consuming them within a reasonable time frame.
It can also lead to the loss of anti-inflammatory effects.
Leaving cut fruit halves open on the desk can also lead to the loss of their anti-inflammatory effects and promote the growth of endotoxin, which is not good to your health. Understanding the health risks of cornstarch: any starch powder is not whole food. Cornstarch and similar starch products, while commonly used as a thickening agent in cooking and baking, is often considered unhealthy due to its high carbohydrate content and low nutritional value.
Derived from corn kernels. Corn starch is primarily composed of carbohydrates, with minimal amounts of protein, fiber, vitamins, or minerals.
Consuming foods high in cornstarch can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, making it unsuitable for individuals with diabetes or those watching their carbohydrate intake.
Additionally, Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or allergic reactions to cornstarch.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Best wishes for a bright and successful future. See you next time for more free and outstanding videos.